that's going to be the savior in about 20 minutes. Because that's what we're going to play in the backyard with. This is Hurricane Isaac cruising in a Santa Fe. Let's get this party started.
Are you going to record as we go?
Yes.
Alright, dude. We ready?
I don't know, dude. Alright, let's get it. Damn, nigga, you about to get stuck already. Woohoo! Little Santa Fe! You better not stop is all I can tell you.
Alright, where are we going?
I don't know, but don't stop. Don't go that way. That's the worst way to go. Little Santa Fe. Yeah, dude.
It is working.
Okay, don't stop. That's all I can do. See, I told you there's enough water back here. Damn, you're ripping up my yard and shit.
It really did. It ripped up all your yard.
I know.
Your dad's gonna be so mad.
Oh well. Oh yeah, here we go. There's the mud. Don't stop. Oh God, don't do this one. You better go, dude. I told you, you better not stop.
You know we're gonna end up walking back to your car, right?
I know. I'm prepared for that though. Yeah, we go four-wheeling in Santa Fe during Hurricane Isaac.
Hurricane Isaac. Did they have any holes in back here?
I don't know, dude, but I wouldn't be going through all of it. That's personal.
Whoa.
See? Like you don't know where it's gonna go. This little thing's getting down, dude. Oh, yes, indeed. Woo! Oh, here comes the fun one. Is where it's gonna happen.
You think, dude?
I think this is it right here. Told ya. And then you gonna hit the other mud. Oh, he got through it all because he hit like 40.
Hey, dude, I still made it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Dude, your dad would be so mad.
Damn, nigga! He's gonna kick your ass.